doing what I gotta do. I got my children to feed and my rent is due. My bills gotta get paid. That sorry brother's gone. He left me all alone. Now I'm doing what it takes to survive.
It's kinda hard to understand the way a woman think. It's like floating in the water until you're both sick. Because women be acting out on emotional thought. And when you think about it, a lot of women be getting involved because they think they gotta settle just to make it. Deal with the drama from a brother because he say he love her. Take the whoopings and the beatings and all the mental strain. The abuse and neglect causing them in the pain. Causing shame to your spirit cause your esteem's low. Take a side when they wrong because you love them so. Do your best to try to keep them cause you all alone. You got bills, a lot of baggage in a broken home. No more help from the government, gotta get a job. Get employed so you can work cause you can't avoid the situation you facing, you gotta see it through. And like you say, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do.
Doing what I gotta do. I got my children to feed and my rent is due. My bills gotta get paid. That sorry brother's gone. He left me all alone. Now I'm doing what it takes to survive.
I know you feeling like you can't take it. You finna snap, so you find you a candidate and you set a trap. Use your looks to entice and your body to get them hooked. Your smile, pretty eyes make them take a second look. Use the kitchen in the bedroom just to make them happy. Knowing your motives deep down is your baby need a pappy. The decisions you done made has left you no other choice but to deal with the stress and to settle for less. You put your heart on the line cause you feel rejection inside. It be a storm outside for all the tears you cried through the years. You done tried to make it work on your own. Lack of knowledge has got you better so your heart turned to stone. You don't know that your pride gon' make you self-destruct cause you think you know it all, that's why you in the rut. Now you looking for some love so you can be somebody's boo by doing what you gotta do.
Doing what I gotta do. I got my children to feed and my rent is due. My bills gotta get paid. That sorry brother's gone. He left me all alone. Now I'm doing what it takes to survive.
I can't blame it all on you, us brothers play a part. Cause we play women like spades or a game of dirty hearts. Jumping bed to the next cause it's all about the sex. Leaving babies to have babies and now your soul's vexed. But you can't fault them cause they daddy did the same. Planted the seed and skip town and they don't know its name. It's a cycle that we repeat, a generational curse. Cause we don't fall on our knees and seek the Lord first. Everything that we do, it's got a spirit attached. So having sex outside of wedlock cause your soul's in fact. So be careful my sister cause it's a spiritual plan. You ain't gotta open your legs just to keep a man. Just open up the word and give your all to Christ. And he will give you some guidance and direction in your life. Cause with your hands you can destroy your house. Believe it's true if you keep on doing what you gotta do.
Doing what I gotta do. I got my children to feed and my rent is due. My bills gotta get paid.